Welcome to Paul's Toolbox. My bathroom is coming along and I had a really bad bow in this wall that I had to repair. Now I pulled this wall out and I repaired it, and it's really simple if you know how to do it. And I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on doing this. Now on a future video I'll show you how I put the lap board on here, and there's a lot of other things we're doing in this bathroom. We're going to be covering those. But I want to cover something real quick. We have a giveaway with the Rockwell Sonicare tool. This is an oscillating tool that is super powerful. It's 20 volts, and it has 2 batteries that come with it, and a charger, and a case, and I think it has a couple of blades in it. Great tool to have. Believe me, I use this thing all the time, and I use it to repair this wall, so you'll see exactly how it works. Drop a comment on me, because we're going to have one winner from the first 150 people that comment on this video for this tool, and it'll be shipped to you. You have to be in the continental USA in order to participate in that part. And if I take my level and I run across it, I can push it back and forth, and it rocks really bad. Now that I have the drywall out of the way, I can see the studs. I knew I had a crown on this, and I mentioned that in another video when I cut a hole out of this wall. I used my little reciprocating saw with the special blade that we made on another video. Not made, we just modified a blade to where I can cut this drywall out without hitting the stud. You can just cut it right across studs. Comes in handy because I had wires right back here and I didn't want to hit those. So you can check that out on another video if you want to see how we did that. It's real simple. These right here are even with this, but it's way off from this. As long as I can nail to this, and I can nail to this, and nail to this, and keep it all straight, we'll be fine. And it's easy to put some shims up there to make it all straight and kick out. I'm going to put a level on it after we're done. But first, we're going to pop this baby out. We'll get this out the way. This is the wire for my hot tub. So now we're going to take and cut this stud. We're going to cut the nails up top, cut the nails on the bottom. I'll wiggle it a little bit to see where the nails are in the rock, and we'll cut those. This right here is my bad boy Rockwell. I bought this at Lowe's. These tools come with a 20-year warranty on the tool and the battery. You can't beat it, and it has a quick connect on there where you just turn this and lock it in place, and that's it. You don't need any special tools. I'm going to go ahead and hit right in here to find that nail. That's how easy it was to cut that. What I'm going to do is cut the bottom one, kind of move it around where I can see where the nails are, and we'll cut those right out. These breaker bars make it simple. There you go. I don't even have to. I'll just pull it a little bit. I got lucky, and it just twisted right out. These are little bitty nails. So I'm gonna check my other side to see if I have any damage. Push these back in. Take a look at this. We're good. No damage at all on the other side. There's a big bow on here going down. So it has a big belly on one side. And if I look at it down here, I can't even see the edge of the board. That means it has a big crown and it's going down. All I see is from here. When it starts bending down, I don't even see it. You see that crown in there? Right here? See how it goes up, and then at the end it dips back down? The big old crown. Now look at the belly side. You can see it curved right here. If you put your eye right here, you would see that real clearly, how it goes in a belly and then comes back up at the end. I'm going to toenail into it on an angle. And if I start hitting it, it's going to push this board out. So I'll take a nail and set right where I want it on next to this. And when I tack that in, it's going to keep it from pushing when I go to toenail it. Same thing on the top. We're going to do the same thing there. And this is going to fit right into place. It's going to push a little bit because that was so used to being bowed that this rock is bowed that way. So we're going to have to force it. No big deal. Put it on an angle just like that. Okay. Good. Okay, I ripped the strip and I put it right here. This is a 1/4 inch piece from a 2x4. I just ripped it on my table saw and tacked it in place using my Ricalde gun. And this thing has rapid fire. I just hold the trigger down and I can just pop them in. If I take this and set it across here now, I don't have any rocking at all. It's right on spot all the way. It's touching all of them. So that's good. That's what I want. I want this to sit on all of this stud, and this end stud. These right here are all set in. So I'm not even worried about those anyway. I'm just going to nail from here to here to here. We're not going to worry about these that are way out of place. Like I said, this wall kicked in, so I'll put another strip up top. If I have to sand it down just a tiny bit to taper it so it matches this, we'll be fine. Well, there you go. My rock is on here. Everything is flat now. Before, if I took a level across here, it would just rock back and forth. But it sits flat all the way. So I'm ready to go ahead and put my wood on here and put my tile on the bottom, and I'm good. Well, we're one step closer to having this bathroom completed, and this is one of the projects that we've covered. I don't have that one out on video yet, but it will be coming out soon. So make sure to check out my future videos because I show how to build this cabinet, how to install it into the wall, and how to get the door to swing upward. Just a lot of little things that we're going to be covering in here, and there's a lot of tips. You also want to participate in this, so make sure you drop that comment. First 150 people that comment will be in a drawing. And like I said, one person will win. We have drawings all the time, so make sure you check that out. Whoa, hold up. I almost forgot. Louisville Ladder is having a contest as well, and what they want is some participation. We're looking for projects, DIY projects. So if you have any type of projects around your house that you're working on, I'd like to see a before and after picture sent. We're looking for DIYers, not commercial people. So this is going to be a great opportunity to start something new. Louisville Ladder is going to be giving away a ladder every 2 weeks until August 31st, and they're going to be choosing winners from the projects that you send in. I have a link in the description box below. Check it out. Go to their Facebook page and send in a picture of before and after. I'd love to see things with you interacting or your family, anything like that, working on a job. I'll see you guys on the next project. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out paulstoolbox.com for all my archive videos. And if you found this useful, hit like for me.